What's up everybody, in this video I'm going to show you guys the dashboard of the Pipedrive for the beginners and for the free plan holders. So all you have to do is to watch the video till the end to get to know about it. So if you're new to the channel, like, subscribe and share. Let's dive right in the video. The link will be in the description for the Pipedrive. So as we see that this is the main dashboard that you guys see. There are a bunch of tools and there's a whole menu on the left hand side. For example, the setup guide, pulse beta, the leads, the leaves, the projects, and then campaigns, sales inbox, activities, contacts, insights, products, and then there's nine more things. For example, it goes with marketplace, automations, automatic assignments, sequences, documents, imported, exported, and restore. So these are all the things. But the essential core things that you have to be careful about is make sure that you do not duplicate the data. For example, the duplication of data comes like you import the same data twice in people and organization form, like for the demo purposes, for the tutorial purposes. I have this done so you guys can understand. For the people, there is same data, and for the organization, there is a bunch of the same data because all these peoples are linked. For example, this Alexander Bennett is linked with the TechFlow solutions, and in the organization, I have the TechFlow solution as well. But this is a different sort of a data that I have put it because we are sorting out the organization in one way and the contacts in the other way. But if you duplicate your contacts, because in case I accidentally upload Alexander Bennett twice in the people. That way, my contact list will be disturbed. My whole approach to the system will be disturbed. If I start an email campaign and I have a segment of the contacts and I'm sending the email campaign to the contacts, and if they are duplicate contacts, then they're going to receive the email twice, and which will create the bounce back rate, which will create the low conversion rate, which will create the low open upgrade, and which will hit the whole analytics and the report of the data, which will affect us in the longer run. So this is something that you need to be very careful about. And I hope you understand the whole dashboard system, how it works, and what are the basic things that are in it. So it comes with the automations. Pipedrive is famous for the automations and campaigns. So I would really suggest you guys to go with it. And there's also a sales assistant agent, which is an AI, which is currently in the beta form, but it would eventually evolve and be available to the all customers. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.